Welcome to the Remark Software YouTube channel. With this demonstration, we will be discussing the various elements within the Choose Class window of Remark Test Grading Edition. Remark Test Grading Edition is designed so that you click a tile at the top of the window going from left to right, which will take you through the basic steps of using the software. Each tile represents a different step in the process. The 7-step workflow includes choosing a class, choosing a test, printing tests, modifying your answer key, processing tests, reviewing the collected data, and running reports. The right side of the main window contains the instructor's assistant. This panel provides instructional text based on the area of the software with which you are using. For example, when you are under Run Reports, Remark Test Grading Edition will provide you with additional information on the reports available, along with other useful information. This video will strictly focus on getting started with Remark Test Grading Edition in the Choose Class window. We are now in the Choose Class window of Remark Test Grading Edition. When you first run the software, you are prompted to set up this information using the setup guide. If you do not set it up or need to modify the information, you can access class and student details here. There are a number of steps that can be taken within the Choose Class window. The first step you will take is choosing the class you wish to work with from the Choose Class drop-down menu. This list will contain all of the classes you have set up for this instructor profile. To the right of the drop-down menu, you will see a button for New Class. Once selected, you can enter a new class name and student roster. Just like with the setup guide, you can import or copy and paste a class roster rather than manually entering this information. Any new classes will be saved along with the others in the Choose Class drop-down menu. If you need to modify a class name or the student roster, you can simply use the class management portion of the screen to make changes as you see fit. Double-clicking within the student roster grid will allow you to make changes to your student names and student IDs if applicable. Towards the bottom of the interface, you will see buttons for Deactivate Class, Deactivate Student, and Delete Student. If you no longer wish to use a class in Remark Test Grading Edition, you may deactivate it. Deactivating the class hides the class from within the application. However, the class information still exists in your home folder, where all of your instructors, classes, reports, and other information is saved. The same can be done for an individual student. Deactivating a class or student is a great way to archive this information rather than deleting it. Please note that if a deactivated student has data collected, you will still see the student in the processing test, review data, and run reports areas. Their data is included in the reports. Deleting a student will permanently remove that student's information from Remark Test Grading Edition. This can only be done if there is no data collected for the student. The Export Class Grades button next to the New Class button allows you to export the class grades to a text, Excel, or CSV file. You may choose whether to export the percent score or total points. This feature is useful for getting grades into other applications, gradebooks, and student management systems. Please note that the Export Class Grades button is currently deactivated, as we do not have any data scanned in for this particular class. Once you have selected the class you wish to work with, you can proceed by clicking the tile for Choose Test. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of navigating the Choose Class window in Remark Test Grading Edition. For more information, please contact the Remark sales team or visit our website to sign up to receive the latest news and updates from the Remark Products Group. Thank you for your interest in the Remark software.